Do you ever see a girl you really like and feel like she's completely out of your league? Like no matter what you do, she barely notices you? It's frustrating. You might feel invisible or like you're doing everything wrong. But here's the truth. Attracting a high-value woman is not about money, looks, or flashy moves. It's about presence, energy, confidence, and subtle power. Today, I'm going to show you 10 steps to attract any female out of your league. These are real, actionable tips that work if you actually apply them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to command attention, spark attraction, and naturally pull her gaze towards you. No fluff, no tricks, just real, working glow mode strategies. Step 1. Build magnetic confidence. Confidence is the foundation of female gaze. Women notice it instantly, even before words are exchanged. Confidence is silent. It's in how you carry yourself, how you walk, and how you occupy space. Start small. Stand tall. Shoulders back, chest slightly out. Walk with purpose. Slow, deliberate steps are more attractive than rushed movements. Speak slowly and clearly. Avoid filler words like or like. Extra tip. Stop seeking validation externally. A confident man knows his worth without needing constant approval. Example. Imagine walking into a room and owning your space. Even if she's surrounded by others, your presence alone draws her attention. Pro hack. Practice power poses for 2 minutes daily. It boosts testosterone and reduces stress, making you feel naturally more confident. Step 2. Master grooming and style. A woman's gaze is instantly drawn to a man who looks polished and well-groomed. This is not about expensive clothes. It's about intentional style and self-care. Keep your hair clean, trimmed, and styled according to your face shape. Maintain a neat beard or facial hair. Even subtle shaping matters. Dress well-fitting clothes that highlight your body shape without being tight. Extra tip, shoes matter. Clean, stylish shoes send a strong signal about your self-respect. Pro hack, add a subtle accessory like a watch or bracelet. It shows attention to detail, which is very attractive subconsciously. Even small improvements in grooming can make a huge difference in female gaze attraction. Step 3. Cultivate an irresistible aura. Your aura is your energy. It's how she feels around you. Women are subconsciously drawn to men who project calm, strong energy. Practice emotional control. Don't overreact or get anxious. Keep your expressions relaxed and confident. Avoid nervous gestures. Smile subtly. A controlled, slight smile is more magnetic than a wide grin. Extra tip, silence can be powerful. Pausing before responding gives you control and makes you appear mysterious. Example, if she's talking, listen actively. Your calm focus makes her feel valued and intrigued at the same time. Step 4, develop a high-value lifestyle. Women notice a man who lives a life worth observing. It's not about showing off. It's about having routines, passions, and goals. Focus on your career, fitness, hobbies, and skills. Socially, surround yourself with people who elevate you. Share interesting stories not to impress, but because you genuinely have experiences worth listening to. Pro tip, a man with purpose is magnetic. Even small achievements, like mastering a skill or starting a side project, increase your aura. Extra hack, avoid spending all your time waiting for her attention. Independence itself is extremely attractive. Step 5. Eye contact that captures attention. The eyes are a powerful tool for female gaze. How you use them determines whether she notices you or passes by. Maintain eye contact, but don't stare aggressively. Use soft, steady gazes to signal confidence and interest. Break eye contact occasionally to create intrigue. Extra tip, slightly tilt your head when making eye contact. It makes you appear more approachable and mysterious. Example, when talking, a calm, steady gaze paired with a relaxed smile creates instant tension and interest. Step 6. Voice and speech power. Your voice affects how she perceives your dominance and value. A deep, controlled voice commands respect and attention. Speak slightly slower than usual. It shows calmness. Lower your pitch slightly. Don't force it. Just speak naturally deeper. Avoid high-pitched or rushed speech. It reduces authority. Extra tip, practice vocal exercises daily. Reading out loud and controlling tone improves your vocal presence. Example, A steady, confident voice during a casual conversation makes you appear more attractive and trustworthy. Step 7. Subtle physical presence. Women notice men who occupy space with confidence. It's not about size. It's about how you move and interact physically. Stand with open posture. Avoid crossed arms or hunched shoulders. Move slowly and deliberately. Avoid fidgeting. Use light, appropriate gestures when speaking to emphasize points. Pro hack. Lean in slightly during conversation to create subtle intimacy. Don't invade personal space. Just create a hint of closeness. Even subtle body language shifts her subconscious attraction towards you. Step 8. Humor and playfulness. Laughter is a shortcut to her attention and attraction. A man who can make her smile or laugh releases positive feelings subconsciously. Don't force jokes. Observational or playful teasing works best. Keep it light and confident, never self-deprecating. Use situational humor to make interactions memorable. Extra tip: playful banter creates sexual tension subtly. It signals confidence, intelligence, and charm simultaneously. Example: if she teases you lightly, respond with playful comeback, not aggression or self-doubt. Step 9. Mystery and scarcity. Women are drawn to men who are slightly unpredictable. If she feels she can fully predict you, interest drops. Don't overshare your life immediately. Keep some stories or skills hidden until curiosity builds. Occasionally be unavailable to show independence. Pro hack: use social media subtly. Don't overpost or reply instantly. Scarcity adds intrigue and value. Example: she notices you don't chase constantly. This makes your attention feel more valuable and desired. Step 10. Emotional intelligence and connection. Attraction is not just physical, it's emotional. A high-value woman subconsciously scans how emotionally capable you are. Listen more than you talk. Make her feel truly understood. Show empathy without being needy. Respond to emotions, not just words. Extra tip: mirror her energy slightly. It builds comfort and unconscious rapport. Example: if she talks about stress, a calm, understanding response increases your subconscious attractiveness. So these were the 10 steps to attract any female out of your league. Start small, focus on building habits, and gradually integrate all steps. You'll notice your presence, confidence, and aura transform in ways that naturally draw her attention. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on more glow mode tips. Remember, attraction is not about money, flashy moves, or trying too hard. It's about presence, energy, confidence, and subtle power.